Simply type hiring process infographic for a company. The AI will generate an infographic for you in just a few seconds. Click Edit this infographic to open Online Template Editor. When conducting business, visuals play a crucial role in elevating your brand to the next level. Whether you are communicating information to the public or internally within your team, the manner in which you package and deliver it matters a lot. If you want the message to stick, infographics are a great tool that can help you successfully convey any message. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to effectively utilize infographics for your business and provide a guide on instantly creating one using Venngage's AI infographic generator. Let's dive in. Infographics are visual representations of information, data, or knowledge designed to present complex information quickly and clearly. When used in a business context, infographics can be powerful tools for simplifying complex information. The visual hierarchy in an infographic directs the viewer's attention to the most critical information, ensuring that the main message is clear and focused. Infographics possess a global appeal as they rely on visual elements that transcend language barriers. This makes them particularly useful for businesses operating in diverse markets or communicating with an international audience. The visually appealing nature of infographics enhances their likelihood of being shared, thereby expanding your business's reach and increasing engagement with a broader audience. So how do you create an infographic? Well, it can be pretty time-consuming if you're starting from scratch or hiring designers to create them for you. But I have just what you need to create your own infographics. At Venngage, we offer a range of pre-designed and fully customizable infographic templates to cater to virtually every business requirement. Whether you need timelines outlining your company's history, process infographics for detailing your product or service, comparison infographics to showcase your product against competitors, or reports on your company's performance, we have it all. If you want AI to instantly design an infographic for you, make use of Venngage's Design AI Infographic Generator. Simply go to Template page, choose Infographics, and select Generate. Now, based on your requirements, give a topic for your design. For example, if you work in HR and wish to create an infographic about the hiring process, simply type hiring process infographic for a company. The AI will generate an infographic for you in just a few seconds. Click Edit this infographic to open Online Template Editor. Double-click to edit the text. Stylize your design by using widgets. You can enhance the visual appeal of your design by adding patterns, shapes, icons, logos, photos, or charts. From here, download your design in any format you prefer and share it with your colleagues. Similarly, you can create infographics for your business or personal needs in just a matter of minutes. And with that, today's video comes to an end. Try creating your infographics for free using Venngage. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Make sure to follow us on social media, and until next time, happy charting.